For over a decade, tech stocks led the market. And we got so used to it that we forgot this group has often been a pariah. Yet that's exactly what tech's become over the past year. So it's time to face a few facts that nobody in Silicon Valley seems to want to acknowledge. Facts that explain why the NASDAQ keeps underperforming the other averages. Like today, where the Dow inched up 2 points, S&P dipped 0.74%, and the NASDAQ tumbled 2.04%. As the guy who created the term FAANG and then made it FAANG, which now stands for Meta Platforms, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Alphabet, and hey, why not throw in Microsoft for good measure? I know why these companies used to be the crown kings of the stock market. They had little competition, great growth, and no real economic sensitivity. But that's no longer the case. Hence, the tech's reached aside over the past 11 months. While there are moments when they can have a resurgence, Apple might report something good tomorrow. This formerly gigantic cohort is no longer what it used to be, which makes the market capitalization here very difficult to justify, even after these declines. Now, their fall-off has been well chronicled, but it took the last 24 hours to rip the shroud off of the glory of the acronym. So let's take them down one by one with an idea towards what really has happened here, because it's rather monumental. First, the FAANG names are no longer secular growth stories. Many of them have no growth whatsoever. They're now well hostage to the broader economy or even to their own, let's say, incompetence. Last night, Google told a story of advertising that didn't sound too different from what you might hear from, say, an old-school television company, linear TV. They were hurt by a lack of ads, especially from crypto and mortgage lenders. Yeah, I thought those would be small potatoes versus the ad revenue they'd be getting from anything connected to travel. Forget about it. The disappointing YouTube ad numbers should only get worse as the Fed tightens. In the end, it's a cyclical business that rises and falls with the rest of the economy.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.